Hello folks, my name is Gavit Joshi and today on behalf of AWS Cloud Community LPU, I'll be showing you how to create and manage IAM users. So let's get started. I'll be clicking on IAM services. This will open up my IAM dashboard. One thing to note is that IAM is a global service, which means it does not require any region selection. Now I'll be going to my users section. As you can see, there's already a user with one group attached to it. Now let me create new users. I'll be naming my first user as demo user 1. I'll create another user and name it as demo user 2. I'll be giving them AWS management console access. Programmatic access means that he will be given access key ID and secret access key for use of AWS API, CLI, SDK and other development tools. AWS Management Console access means that he will be given a password that will be used to sign in into his own AWS Management Console. The password will be auto-generated and he will be required to reset his password after his first use. For the sake of convenience, let me just deselect this. Now I'll be going into permission section. As you can see, there's already a group with two policies attached to it. One of them is administrator access. Now let me create a new group. I'll name this group as developer and I will be giving him EC2 full access. I'll create this group. Now I'll be going into my tag section. IAM tags are key value pair that can be used to store user information such as email addresses and their job title. Now I'll put job title here and value will be this is a demo. Now I'll be reviewing these settings. Usernames created will be demo user 1 and demo user 2. AWS access type will be AWS management console access with a password. Console password type will be auto-generated. Password will not be resetted after our first use. Permission boundary is not set. The groups that will be attached to them are developer. The key value pair are shown here. Now let me create these users. As you can see, the two users have been created. Now let me download this CSV file. Guys, I'll be accessing a CSV file which has the credentials on it. Please keep this CSV file safe and secure and don't share it with anyone, as if they get hold to this CSV file, they can easily access your account. Now let me close this and I'll be going into my dashboard. Now I'll be copying this link and I'll sign out of my root user account. Now I'll just be going into this link and I'll open my CSV file. As you can see, there's username and password and a console login link. This console login link is same as that we copied earlier. The username and password should be kept safe and secure. Now I'll just be copying this username and I'll paste it here and I'll copy this password and I'll paste it here. Now let me just sign in. As you can see, we have signed in to our IAM user. Now let me open EC2 services in one tab and S3 services in another tab. As we can see, EC2 services are working fine, but if we go into our S3 bucket, it says that we do not have permission to use the S3 bucket. It is because we have not given this IAM user permission to use S3 bucket. So this concludes up this tutorial. Thank you for watching this.